Beginning in 2021, rural transit districts which receive Section 5307 urban funding as subrecipients to provide part of their service in urban areas are required to report data by separate program types in PTN 128. If TxDOT-PTN determines that your rural transit district has a partial amount of overall service associated with an urbanized area, your data entry worksheets will be set up by site administrators to reflect program type options for rural transit districts providing 5307 service and state-funded rural. At the top of the worksheet is the program type function bar to select which program type you wish to view. Click on the drop-down and then click the program type name to change the set of worksheets. The travel modes available in the travel mode drop-down window may be different under each program type depending on the modes of service you provide in urban versus rural areas. Data should be reported and allocated by travel mode under the program type depending on whether the service was delivered for a rural or urbanized area. State-funded rural represents service that is allocated to the non-UZA, non-urbanized, or rural area of Texas. Rural transit districts providing 5307 service represents service that is allocated to the UZA, which should match the allocation percentage provided to NTD in federal reporting. The intention is for the data from each travel mode to be split between state-funded rural and providing 5307 service worksheets, according to the same allocation your transit district provides to the National Transit Database in the FFA-10 form. For both agency types, you can add a travel mode under the program type using the green Add New Travel Mode button, as shown in the previous video on reporting by travel mode. We recommend that you consult your PTC before making any changes to your travel mode worksheets. All worksheets under each program type can be downloaded to Excel or PDF formats. At the top right of the page, click on the Prior Year Values hyperlink to view the same travel mode worksheet under the given program type from the previous fiscal year. This is a quick way to view the month-by-month data from the previous year for the travel mode and type and compare it to the current year. Click on the Cumulative Travel Mode hyperlink to view the summed data for all travel modes under both rural program types in the current fiscal year together. This view allows you to check your data entry and look at performance measures of service for the whole transit district. The Cumulative Travel Mode worksheet can also be downloaded in Excel or PDF file formats. In the Reports section of the website, most reports display cumulative data for all travel modes under both program types for your rural transit district. There are two reports under the Agency Reports section that display data for each travel mode worksheet under each program type: the Individual Agency Summary Report and the Comments Report. For either of these reports, when you select your agency in the drop-down window and click on the Report hyperlink, the Travel Mode drop-down window at the top of the report page will display sections for the state-funded rural and rural transit districts providing 5307 service types, followed by the travel modes available for each type. The summary report will also have a cumulative data option to view the data summed together for all travel modes.